Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're not subscribed, please hit that like and subscribe button. What I'm showing you here is what we're getting from Hurricane Debby. Hurricane Debby's on her way in. As you can see, the waves are really bad. I'd say about a good 7 to 8 feet waves right now. A lot of dead fish on shore here. But I just want you guys to see it somewhere over right there. If you see what I see, right in that section, around there, you let me know in the comments below. And like I said, if you're not subscribed, please hit that like and subscribe button.